Hi children, welcome back to the class which is discussing about light. Now let us see how an image is formed for an extended object. In last class we have discussed how an image is formed for a point object. So here this is our mirror dash. Let us consider an object AB. It can be a pen or pencil or anything. So this together is a object. It can be pen or something. So its tip is at A and another end is at B. Okay. So we are considering an object AB kept in front of the plane mirror. This is our plane mirror. It is kept in front of the plane mirror. The rays of light travel in all directions from this point. From here you can travel from here like this to all the points it will be traveling, and we are considering from only these two ends. And so from A and B it is reaching to the mirror strip. So let us consider rays coming out from the points A and B, which are the ends of the extended object. The rays will fall on the mirror, then they will be reflecting. After reflection, the image will be formed as A dash B dash. So from the tip A, the rays reaching to the mirror, and from there this is reflecting, and from the tip B it is incident on the mirror, then from there it is reflecting back, and these two rays are produced back to the back of the mirror, so that image is formed at this much far apart. And this A, the tip, it is this part A is forming here as A dash, and it will be forming here as B dash. Also the size of the image will be same. So if this is 5 centimeter, if the size of this pen is 5 centimeter, the size of the image formed will also be same, 5 centimeter only. The distance of the image from the mirror will be same as that of the distance of the object from the mirror, and these two distance also will be same. Now let us discuss about some of the characteristics of the image formed by a plane mirror. First one is the image formed by a plane mirror is of the same size as that of the object. That means the image and object will be having the same size. Second point is that the image formed is as far behind the mirror as the object is in front of it. That is, if the object is moved closer to the mirror, the image moves equally closer to the mirror. If the object is moved away from the mirror, the image also moves equally away from the mirror. Third point is that the image formed by a plane mirror is always erect, or you can say that it will be always straight. Fourth point is that the image formed by a plane mirror is laterally inverted. Laterally inverted means when we are looking through a mirror, the image of letter B, it will look like this when we are looking through a mirror. So this is the reflecting part. So when we are looking through the mirror, the letter B will looks like this, and letter D, it will looks like this. The phenomenon due to which the right of an object becomes left of the image and vice versa is called lateral inversion. So lateral inversion means the right of an object, it becomes the left of the image. For example, if you raise your right hand before the mirror, your image will raise its left hand. So that's all about the characteristics of an image formed by a plane mirror. These mirrors have many uses. Let us discuss few uses of plane mirrors. First one is that plane mirrors are used as looking glasses. Second one is that they are used in box-type solar cookers to reflect sun rays towards the vessels to be heated. Third one is that army personnel and scouts use plain mirrors for signaling. Fourth point is that false dimension. That means the mirror image of small space gives a perception of double the space. Fifth point is that multiple images. In showcases that display jewelry and wristwatches, two plain mirrors are placed at an angle or parallel to each other, leading to the formation of multiple images of the displayed articles. Sixth point is that they are used for making periscopes and kaleidoscopes. Seventh point is that they are used as optical instruments and devices. Periscopes and kaleidoscopes means they are the devices. Periscopes, it will looks like this. If you have a PVC pipe, you can make by your own like this. So this is a PVC pipe. You have to connect it with a holder, and at this angle keep the mirror, and here also keep the mirror. So if we are seeing an object here, this image of this object will be reflected on this mirror. It will be incident on this mirror. From this mirror it will be reflected to this mirror, and from this mirror it will be reflected to your eyes. So the far apart things you will be able to see through this periscope. This is the periscope. You can make it using a PVC pipe. So you had to fix two mirrors at the angles, so you'll be able to see the object. Next one is kaleidoscope. Kaleidoscope you can make using either mirror or by using your ruler you can make. You have to use 3 pieces of glass, and then you have to paste one over the other at the edges. So it will be looking like this, and if you are putting some beads or pepper or something, if you are putting or like the bangle pieces or anything, you can see the multiple things within the kaleidoscope. You can try by making this periscopes and kaleidoscope. Optical instruments means optics means is something related to light only. So whatever things that we are used to observe the light, all those things, in those things we'll be using the plain mirrors. These are also few uses of plain mirrors. So we will be discussing more about light in the next class. Till then, take care and thank you.